我有樓啦！I'm coming！ 啱啱個現象個個都識嘅，就係有樓有高潮啦。高潮查一查字典，通常會揾到呢一個字 climax。但係呢一個字咧，同我哋要揾嘅高潮並無關係嘅。呢個高潮係解事業上嘅高潮啦、睇戲嘅高潮啦、演唱會嘅高潮啦，嗰啲高潮嘅。再查一查字典，揾到呢個 O 字頭嘅字 orgasm。Oh
my god！
呢個就係我哋要揾嘅高潮啦。但係其實有一個字非常之簡單，個個人都識嘅，都係解高潮，就好似高潮咁，個個都識嘅。但係你感唔感受到佢啫嘛？呢個字係 COME。嚇？呢個字唔係解嚟咩？係啊，但係亦都有解高潮嘅意思啊。就好似事主話 I'm coming， 即係話我要高潮啦咁嘅意思嘅。咁如果你要用到高潮呢個意思嘅時候咧，呢個字嘅串法就有少少唔同啦。COME 會變成 CUM， 讀法都係 come， 但係意思就唔同啦。仲睇《冰壁天地》，睇多啲鹹片，等鬼婆教你學英文啦，細路。如果冇話嘅話，唔好拍上啦。講咁多都嘥氣啊！最緊要就有樓，樓英文點講啊 ？Home、house， 冇啦。咁你英文咁渣，點會有高潮啊？等我教你啦。嗱，一棟大廈入邊，其中一個單位仔咧就叫做 apartment。就千祈唔好買 apartment 啊，咁細啊，點會有高潮啊？要買就要買 house。一棟嘅樓，例如好似村屋咁咧，就叫 house 啦。再勁啲嘅一棟樓之餘咧，有埋泳池 swimming pool、garage 放車嘅地方，同埋會所 clubhouse 嘅咧，呢啲豪華大宅咧就叫做 villa 啦。包保有高潮啊，仲高潮疊起添，過單車咁啊！唉，其實呢一類型嘅 show 咧喺外國非常之常見嘅，只不過我哋睇開一條大台就覺得好新鮮、好特別，哇，好真啊！呢啲咧叫做 reality show 真人 show， 譬如話 Keeping Up with the Kardashians or Here Comes Honey Boo Boo 呢一啲咧都係 reality show 嚟嘅 ，but it's not the reality， 唔係真實嘅，所有嘢都係 staged， 都係一切鋪排過嘅。I can tell you the entire episode was a staged event。我講俾你聽，成集嘢咧都係一連串安排咗嘅事嚟嘅，假嘅。大家唔好睇得咁肉緊，好唔好啊？當我睇緊呢套劇嘅時候，就覺得點解啲手法咁似上一套嗰套咩贏在射精前嘅，又係講埋啲咁不知所謂嘅 punchline。咁我就 search 喺呢兩套片嘅監製啦，係同一個人嚟嘅，所以話呢啲係叫做 same old tricks， 舊橋新用。但係你哋班人有受嘅喎，又係咁用力插啊，係咁鬧啊，係咁鬧啊，幫佢做宣傳谷 ratings。大家仲要睇下 who is sponsoring the program， 邊一個贊助呢一個節目㗎？ That is brought to you by 康業信貸，即係佢想你借錢啫嘛，買樓啫嘛，可唔可以唔好咁蠢啊？唉，香港人睇戲就輕鬆啲啦，假㗎。